Moving on to our next award for this evening, which is Excellence in Clinical Outcome Award. Ladies and gentlemen, the award this evening goes to Fortis Gleneagles Health City, Chennai. With a huge round of applause, on behalf of Ms. S. Niranjani, the Chief Operating Officer, we have Bharat Khan, the Cluster CEO, who in fact will be receiving this award. Gleneagles Health City, Chennai, a part of Fortis Healthcare, is a leading institution in advanced healthcare and one of Asia's pioneers in multi-organ transplant programs. Located across a 12.5-acre campus, it is the largest facility within the Gleneagles network. With over 2 decades of clinical excellence, the hospital has consistently set benchmarks in patient safety, complex surgeries and transplant outcomes. Mighty congratulations to the entire team.
Thank you for joining us, ma'am.
Thank you.
We have a couple of quick questions for you.
Sure.
So, what key innovations or practices set your healthcare institution apart from others in the industry?
Gleneagles Health City, Fortis Gleneagles Health City has been into the market for almost more than 16 years and has an IHH, under the leadership of IHH, we have really worked out in terms of innovation, technology. Currently, if you see, we have got, our robotic surgeries. We have currently done 500 robotic surgeries in OBG, which is, hysterectomy. Apart from that, we also have Stryker, which is about the ortho-robo. We also have a lot of innovation technology because we do a lot of, transplant. We have done almost close to 3,000 transplants at Fortis Gleneagles Health City. A lot of innovation in terms of HBOT. We have never taken apart, 3T, Tesla CT is there, MRI is there. And then we have the nuclear medicine facility in and across, about 15 kilometers. Those specialties are not available, but then, we have really made a niche in the market, and that is the innovation technology which we have never lagged behind.
Nice to hear, ma'am. And moving ahead, the next question is, how does the organization balance affordability and advanced medical infrastructure and treatment options?
As I said, Fortis Gleneagles Health City is about, spread across 12.5 acres at Perumbakam, Sholinganallur. And this is the only hospital in Chennai, if I would take the pride to tell, is that we have the facility for, accommodating our patient and their families. So we have in-house, we have 80 guest house which has been given to our patients where they can stay. They need not really go around the hospital and try to see the accommodation when they have to stay here. And then coming to the innovation, as I said, with high-tech technology into picture, there's never been a case that, we have to rely on other hospitals to, go forward and get the treatment done. Everything is under a single umbrella, and being a quaternary care hospital, right from the OPD till the hand transplant or the liver transplant, kidney transplant, everything is under the single roof. And that's the comfort which we have given to our patient. Of course, affordability is something which we really look into it because we know that a patient deserves the right treatment at the right place. And we believe that good people bring good outcomes. And that's the outcome which we have really won this time. And I really appreciate the Outlook for recognizing us and giving us the appreciation. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us, ma'am.
Thank you.